Hello, this is Todd Kilgore with Piatt Sotheby's International Realty. Welcome to my new listing in Spring Hill City View, located at 1030 Haslage Street. The Spring Hill neighborhood is a diverse community rich in history. Countless community organizations here in the neighborhood is really what makes it great. It really is one of Pittsburgh's best kept secrets. Let me park my scooter and I'll see you inside. .1030 Haslage is a new renovation on the north side. They really spared no expense here. The quartz island looks fantastic. The butcher block countertops look terrific. The subway tile and the gold accents really bring this home together. This home's kitchen leads into a really wonderful open concept. It really lets into a living room space and dining room space. With all the natural light, the views of the Strip District in Lawrenceville really look fantastic from here. In addition to the main living space, you have 3 generously sized bedrooms. The lower level features a master bath and full tile bathroom. Upstairs features 2 additional bedrooms with a full bath with modern finishes and tile accents. I really like this outdoor space at 1030 Haslage. The covered concrete patio would be a nice place to put a grill and table. Brand new fencing along the sides also adds a nice touch, and you would have the ability to add parking if you so choose in the future. Thanks for joining me on this tour of 1030 Haslage in the north side. If you want to come visit this home, please reach out to Todd Kilgore with Piatt Sotheby's International Realty and come see what this great home and great neighborhood has to offer.